Now, in the chapter of polygons and geometrical constructions, let's take a look at checkpoint 11.1.3a. Okay, this is question 2. Now, the figure shows a square ABCD and an equilateral triangle ABE. So they're asking you to find the angle CED. Now, what does equilateral triangle mean? Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay, so at 1, 2, and 3. Now, square also means that all the sides are equal. Am I right? Okay, so you see, for matter of fact, down here, you're able to identify what? Isosceles triangle. So you know that this is an isosceles triangle. This is also an isosceles triangle. Correct? Now, angles in an equilateral triangle are all 60 degrees. Why? Because 180 I divide by 3. So you have 60 degrees for each angles. Okay, now you know that this is 60, 60, 60, which means that, okay, CBA, because it's a side of a square, it is 90, right? So therefore, okay, look at the ones in red, they are the same. These two, they are all the same angles. Why? Because I would have 90 minus away 60 degrees to give me CBE as well as DAE. Okay, so you know that these two angles are technically 30 degrees, right? Which means that these shaded red angles, okay, let's say it should be EDA, okay, DEA, as well as BCE and CEB, they are all 180 minus away 30 divided by 2. Correct? So you would have eventually an answer, okay, that gives you 180, 75. So you know that each angle will be 75, and then this is also 75, and then this is also 75, this is also 75. Okay, so far so good. Now the question is asking you to find CED. So do you realize something? That this is actually a circle. Correct? Okay, so if let's say you are looking for CED, I will take 360 degrees minus away 75. Okay, minus away 75 and minus away 60. What's my reason? Angles at a point. So this will give you an eventual answer of 150 degrees. Okay, so this question may be a little bit tricky, but it's testing you on the properties of different kinds of triangle which you need to take note. Okay, then let's move on to question 3. Now the figure shows a rhombus ABCD where the diagonals AC and BD intersect at E. They're asking you to find the value of X. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that in a rhombus, AB is equivalent to AD, correct? Which also means that ADB is equals to DBA. Okay, so therefore, what are you trying to see here? You are seeing that, right, these angles 180, okay, 180. So you are looking at sum of triangle 180 minus away, okay, 3x plus 13, okay, minus away 2 of x plus 45. Okay, can you see? All right, or rather I can change it such that it looks like that. So 2x plus and then 2x plus 45. Now why do I say that? Because the word diagonals. So diagonals means that angle DAE and angles DAE, which is, let me change the color, the one I'm shading in red, and this one, okay, it is equals to EAB. They are the same because they are diagonals. So which is why I have the 2 times. Okay, because if I'm looking at a triangle over here, okay, let's say here, okay, what can you see? 1, 2, 3. You can see that this angle is actually this, okay, this, which is the same as well as this, right? So therefore this is actually angle sum of triangle, which also means that it is 6x plus 26 plus 2x plus 90, which will give you 180 degrees. So therefore 64 degrees equals to 8x and x equals to 8 degrees. Okay, can?